To the latest update which is coming in from the national capital, where Shaheen Bagh has been declared as the latest containment zone, another hotspot in the national capital, really, where the spread of COVID-19 has been reported. And in fact, their worst fears are, it seems, coming true, where scores of Muslim women, remember not so long back, had gathered and protested against the Citizenship Amendment Act for nearly 100 days. Now, a street nearby, Abul Fazl Enclave, and a part of East Ramnagar in Shadra have also been turned into red zone. 3 people have tested positive. Let's go across to Mohit Bhatt, who's joining me live now for more inputs on the story. Mohit, this is exactly what the fear was when so many people were sitting on the streets there for about 100 days, even after repeated appeals. As soon as the outbreak of COVID-19 happened, these people refused to get up for quite a few days.
Well, yes, and that is what the government was saying, that they need to get up because given the fact that the corona pandemic is going all throughout the world, then the people need to get up. And we know for a fact that how just a few weeks ago, all the Shaheen Bagh streets were full with the protesters. We know for a fact that how the street was completely blocked by the protesters. And now what we are getting to know is that 3 people have been tested positive from nearby Shaheen Bagh area, and hence it has been declared as a containment zone. And also Abul Fazl Enclave, street number 6, is also declared as a containment zone, and also a street from East Ramnagar in Shadra has also been declared as a containment zone. So the containment zones in Delhi have reached out to 60, and yesterday 3 more hotspots were added: Shaheen Bagh, Abul Fazl Enclave, and also the Shadra, and these 3 are in all 3 different districts. So clearly it was being feared by everybody that gathering of such huge amount of people in Shaheen Bagh could lead to spreading of coronavirus, and now 3 people have been tested positive, and then many of them have been quarantined. So we have to wait and watch that whether their test will come out positive or not. Back to you.
Right, Mohit, keep a close track on developments there. For the moment, thanks very much for getting us your inputs on the story. Moving on now, well, in these